Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like months.
Oh my god. But the photo, I can do time lapse, slow mo, and then do you know this little tiny screen right here is touch screen? That is so crazy to me. Hey. Oh my god. We are back in game. Okay, I did all the settings on TikTok. The quality better be superb. Better be superb. Look at this. And then it can follow me. I really hope it doesn't have that glow thing that I saw everybody have. I was like, I don't want that glow editing thing. Let it be raw. Okay, so we finna vlog on this camera and see how it do. Yes. And it's so... This is crazy. This is so crazy. Oh, this is crazy. I charged it at home. So let's head home. I have my mother-in-law. She's leaving tomorrow. I started a cleaning vlog, so I think I'm gonna like redo the whole kitchen cleaning aspect, and we're gonna really tighten up the house. I'm gonna take advantage of her watching my son to really clean the house, like upstairs, downstairs, laundry, bed, bathroom. Like his bathroom needs to really be clean. I want to wipe down the crown molding, wipe down my windows. Like certain cleaning tasks I can't necessarily do even when my husband is here, because a lot of times he got stuff going on, so I'm not actually like baby free. So we're gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make her some, because every time I offer to make it, she always decline, and I feel like she just wants me to do it than to ask. So I decided, I noticed I only had 3 eggs, so I'm gonna make hers kind of like a Haitian style version of what I do. My breakfast is very Americanized. That's how I've been losing weight. So I'm gonna just, you know, make some scrambled eggs and then do the same potatoes and stuff like that just to add to it. So yeah. So let's play this Beyonce and head home. So, made it home. Just the breakfast. What? Por que saiu mais espírito de saiu lá? Por que sai lá, mãe?
Parce que yo retiré gari koni, monsieur qui premier ministre. Retiré libre, dit yo même tout identifié. Yo même a mis c'est au gang.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on, because I realized I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't.
Oh, the lighting. There we go. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. My mother-in-law is leaving. I'm bummed out. because it's been heavenly having someone help me with set baby, but we're gonna figure out. We've been doing it for long. We're gonna keep it pushing. So this morning I am taking to his other class. This one is like a social circle. It was the furthest because I knew dang well I wasn't gonna make it to the art class at 9 a.m. I'm not Bulu. I scheduled out a class for the whole week because I need him stimulated, and I just want to see how that he works with that. If you like it or whatever. I have 2 weeks unlimited classes, so depending on how that goes, I probably just schedule 4 and then look for other activities to do with him, because I need him to get back on his 2 to 3 hour naps. Yes ma'am, yes sir. So yeah, I am debating going to Home Goods to get some stuff, or I'll probably wait for the weekend, because I want to replace my cutting boards. I want to get some cute stuff for the kitchen. I basically want to like decorate the kitchen to finish out this cleaning / new monthly decor video I'm filming right now. Switching out this picture, I know that's crazy, but I got this gorgeous picture, and it's gonna go with what I got going on here. So I'm gonna have my husband hang it up and all that good stuff. Also, I have to edit a vlog, so I have backed up vlog content, just not other video content. I did film an everyday makeup video, but I hated the quality so bad I didn't even post it. I didn't post it last Wednesday or Sunday because it just was not the standards that I wanted. So hopefully with his 3 hour nap I can do it again. I can film it again, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm still debating on the Home Goods or not. If not, I'll probably just get my husband's car washed, because that's what I'm driving right now as he's driving mine. So yeah, that's what we got going on. I do want to take a mile walk today to get my workout in, and also have my son be entertained. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Y'all already saw the fit. I'm watching Brooke Kennedy because I just love her vlogs. Love them. So yeah, I just want to check up with y'all. Showed y'all my matcha of the morning. I already ate some scrambled eggs, 3 scrambled eggs, and technically 3 sausage links. So I've been really working on eating less and just eating more protein. So we're just gonna keep it up. I'm wrapped with my sweat wrap, my waist trainer, because I'm gonna be walking a lot today, so I want to sweat a lot today, because I might as well get some of these calories burnt. Purred. But yeah, so let's get to it. So y'all, the class just finished. Say hi, Bubbles. And it was only 30 minutes, and I just decided to come out here and people watch with him, but there's not much people out here, so I think, you know, a light walk, right Bubba? And then we head home because it's really windy today, right baby? Yep. It's real windy today, but I wanted him to get enough sun so when we get home, he go to sleep. He fell asleep in the car on our way here, but the drive wasn't that far, so it was like a 10-15 minute nap after he played himself to sleep. So I kind of have him bundled up because he spits up a lot, and I just don't want him catching anything. Right, Bubba? So we're on our way home. Hopefully, because he's really overfed at this point, and he's still tired. My husband, his grandmother basically let him have a 30-minute nap. This morning he woke up at 7, and the only reason he woke up at 7, y'all, is because He woke up at 1. He went to sleep last night at 6:30 because he didn't take a nap all day. Woke up at 1 and then fell back asleep at 3. So that kind of pushed him to wake up an hour later. And then his grandmother put him down for a 30-minute nap. Well, he only napped for 30 minutes. Yeah, Bubba. But I know he's tired because that was like around 8:30. He's been fighting sleep since at home. So I'm really hoping and praying we can get a 2-hour nap out of him. At least a 2-hour, not an hour, 2-hour nap out of him, so I can get some editing done before his daddy come home, and I have something to post. So yes, this vlog is like a filler vlog. All the action really comes for the next vlog. You know, that's when we actually doing stuff. But I wanted to give this camera a new go and just give you like a nice be with me every day type of vlog. Like, this is like, you know, what I do to a day-to-day basis with Zavi and me while we're home. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Friday, I decided that I'm just gonna make this one big long vlog instead of separating it, because why not? I don't feel like I have enough footage for it to be split up, and this is when like stuff gets interesting. Anyways, I'm finally vlogging because my baby is asleep, so I can actually talk. I worked all last night, so from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. I had a client, and then I only slept for like 4 hours because my son ended up waking up at 4 a.m. because he got cold. So I had to end up putting him back to sleep, and then he woke up at 7, y'all. Yeah. I'm just figuring life as we go. So today we have quite a lot. Not only I have a baby shower for one of my really good friends. I have my other good friend, her engagement party is on Sunday, and the baby shower is on Saturday. I'm doing both their hair today. So one is sewing because she has an engagement shoot and her engagement party. The other one is her baby shower. So yeah, this evening is hectic and this morning is hectic, so baby boy gonna have to toughen up. I'm at the Starbucks outside of my Target right now because I kind of want some quietness as I eat my food. And then I'm gonna go in and buy his formula, his milk. Here we go, we're pulling up to the window. Hi,
1166. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all need to stop doing that.
There you are.
Thank you.
That is for you.
Thank you. Whoa. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay. As I was saying, so here's the rundown of the errands today. We have Target to get his formula and water, and then I have the beauty supply store to get some things, like some wig stuff. It's not like anything serious. And then I have all these because he ran out of solids, so I have to make him some more food. I have Dollar Tree, and I have something else on my list. Now I remember, TJ Maxx. But I'm really okay. Forget me for trying to get the parking, right? Okay. No, it's too late now, baby boy. It's too late. I'm gonna go the other way. Anyways, TJ Maxx. But I'm really tempted to go tomorrow. But then, as I said, my weekend is booked. I have my friend's sister, my baby sister. Okay, listen, like, them little girls in my life. She's coming to pick up some stuff for her sister at my house in the morning. Is this parking? Yes, it is. Okay. Here we go. We can finally stop in the Zhush for the morning. Let me park this car. Okay. Yeah. So she's picking up some stuff in the morning. I kind of wanted to call for a Pilates class early in the morning, so we're gonna just see how that goes. If not, I probably might just work out at home. I'm probably gonna work out at home. I don't think I will have the energy to wake up at 5 a.m. to go to the 6 a.m. class. It's just not gonna work. So I'm just gonna work out in the morning, have her pick up the stuff. I wanted to schedule my son's little class for like 12, and then by then I'll get ready for the baby shower and whatever other errands that my husband wants to do, which I'm trying to which I'm trying to tackle today because I'm not in the mood. I have to literally bleach and pluck this wig, so I'm wearing this because I'm tired of it looking crazy, but I keep wearing it because it's like the first wig by my door, so when I'm heading out I'm like, yeah, I'm putting it on. So this is what we got going on. I already know